So I got this wig from Hermosa hair. Here, ooh, it actually looks really nice. I'm gonna hide my sideburns as well, but this is how the lace is looking up front. Very, very natural looking. I might end up straightening this actually because I know that this is a body wave that they sent me, but I kind of want the bangs to kind of like hit here. So let's go in and install this. And then I'm gonna also kind of bond the hairs to where it's in front of my sideburn so you can't really see anything. I'm back with a new video. I am doing this hair review for Hermosa hair. They sent me this honey blonde unit and it originally comes in a body wave, but I obviously went in and I curled it. Some of the curls are falling a bit, which looks really nice, but look at how beautiful this looks. And also, I love the lace. It looks extremely natural. This is a close-up of how it looks, and then this is how I did the baby hairs. This is a 13x4 unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the specs for you guys as well. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is their number 27 hair color body wave wig. This is also how the hair looks as a whole. Body wave wig, 13x4 lace unit. I don't know the length of this, but to me it seems like an 18-inch or 20-inch unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know both of the prices for that. An 18-inch, and let's do 180% density, is gonna be $208.53. A 20-inch, same density, is going to be $230.53. And for 220% density, it's gonna be $245.53 for a 20-inch. And then $223.53 for an 18-inch. Yeah, this hair is extremely soft. I layered the bang area, so you have like the curtain bang look here going on. This hair color on my skin tone, it just looks so flattering. You know, clearly I've done blonde wigs in the past. It always looks more flattering whenever it's a honey blonde wig. Let me go ahead and also get into more of the specs. They have an option of 5x5 lace, 4x4 lace, and they also have the option of Afterpay for $55.88 or they also have Klarna as well. I would say there's definitely minimal shedding for this wig. The hair quality is extremely soft. I don't want to keep running my fingers through the hair because again, it has curls and I don't want to mess the curls up. It does also come in the middle part whenever you get it in the male, and the hair lays extremely flat. I would say get yourself a hair mousse to lay down the flyaways, but I think that this is also an HD lace. Yeah, this is their HD Swiss lace. It's strong and it's also invisible, so it's not going to be too thin to where it kind of rips really easily, but it still has like that nice effect where it blends in with the skin and it looks really seamless, and so it all kind of looks really good. There's no ombre effect going on, it's just strictly blonde. And I think this wig would look really cute if I kind of had two pieces in the front and maybe like the rest kind of pulled back. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. I think that's all that I really have to say though about the unit itself. I'm gonna kind of zoom in to the hair texture. This is obviously the lace. I could do a little bit more work over here. And then this is how the curls are looking once they're dropped a little bit. And yeah, it just looks really, really pretty. Let me zoom back out. That's how the hair looks from the side. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this unit down in the description below. Be sure to go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys liked me doing the installation, the hair curling, all that good stuff. It just has a very nice texture. And I think that they have a really good, it just made the install that much easier for me to go ahead and take care of. But yes, be sure to go ahead and check out Hermosa Hair down below and the direct link to this unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some intro shots for this video. Okay, bye.